Hello, this is Jason and we're going to be looking at the JDM style LED rear fog, tail, and brake light for the 2013 through 2016 Mazda CX-5. A very popular piece. This is made to directly replace the OEM tail light and upgrade them with LEDs for a rear fog, add-on tail light, and brake light feature. The top part of this LED lamp is the rear fog light or tail light, which is powered by 40 red LED diodes, and the bottom part here gives you the brake light feature, powered by 12 red flux LED diodes. Installation is a simple direct replacement process. Simply remove the screws located in these three locations and unplug your bulbless bumper reflectors. You're going to place your LED lamp in the same place and bolt it in. To wire, you can follow the handy guide we provide in the back here. Tap the green wire to your existing tail light wire, the red wire to your existing brake light wire, and the black wire to the ground. After you install these, your CX-5 will have a trendy new look with improved style and safety features. Here's a preview of how it looks.
I think you're gonna have to be gentle. We're gonna have to go very slow. And soft.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.